J Squad.
What? You and me will always be tight. Family every single day and night. Even when you start acting like a fool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do.
Good morning, everybody. What up? We are running from Hurricane Florence, y'all. He's headed to Georgia. Headed to the good old Swanson Browns. That's how you say it? Swanson. The Browns. Our sister wives. Headed to them, we got the kids.
We're seeking refuge.
Just like I got attitude, y'all.
We're seeking refuge, excuse me. With them, we're some refugees. This guy pissed off at us. Because he in the car seat. See? He ain't cute all I mean, he still is cute, but he ain't that good baby all the time.
I'm trying to get them a snack.
Now who gonna look at you like, where's my damn snack? So what you get?
Oh, I'm tired.
I've been up since 5 o'clock. I was working at 6, so I could leave early.
So the twins are in love with these. This is from Sprouts Farmers Market. These are coconut rolls. It says delicious, crispy coconut snack with a touch of sweetness. It's gluten-free and dairy-free, and it's made with real coconut milk. So it's like this stuff is like crack, you guys. This stuff stays sold out.
I smashed the chocolate ones. Like
the chocolate ones is always on the shelves, but these ones right here are never on the shelves. Never.
Yeah, those be gone. The chocolate ones I can find like two, 3 bags, but the rest of them be gone too.
Yeah, so
they melt in your mouth. They good. I don't even rock coconut for real like that. If it's like coconut on like coconut cake or coconut custard pie. Other than that, I don't like coconut because it's like a whole lot of different things like grass in your mouth. But what up, y'all? Yeah, we still riding. It's turned from a 5-hour to about a 6.5-hour drive. There's been a whole lot of accidents up here. And so on and so forth. So we went from having like a 4:45 ETA to a 6:30 ETA now. So we got the kids watching their little shows on their Amazon Fire tablet, and then we have our tablet right here in the front, our iPad that we put through the speakers that we can hear. We actually got spots right here for TVs, but we gotta get it measured and really figure out which one we need to get it set up. Other than that, we in here with everything in gosh. Chantel would leave this freaking iMac at home just in case it flooded. And we got the, our IKEA little portable little high chairs or whatever. And that's about it. Clearly, they have no clothes on right now because I gave them a little plain hamburger and they just messed it all up. They had food all in their clothes. So we're gonna stop and get them outfits because everything's packed up. We're gonna stop and get them 2 outfits and all that other good stuff. Other than that, I need a haircut. Other than that, we in these streets. We're hollering.
Hey y'all, so we made it to Jamila and Sequina's and Harper's and Capria's house. The kids, just like right there, y'all. Jordan is upstairs with Sequina. Jamila is in the kitchen entertaining one half of Harper's godparents. And Javon is inside here with me, of course, on a business call. So I just wanted to check in with you guys, let y'all know that we did make it safe. JB coming from the Telly and JB channel, and I'm stuttering like crazy. I think I see the little head peeking around the corner.
This is something you can stand up and put on. I take that.
Babe, you need help?
No, I'm coming.
She need help. Don't scare these kids. You better not.
Wakanda.
Wakanda, they riding on a unicorn.
Wakanda uniform.
Javon, we might instead of the sex store. Get the unicorn. Just get the unicorn. Instead of the sex store, just get the unicorn.
Oh, what up? So we are day, is this day 3? Yep. 2.5, 3 here, yay, with the SBs, and we got Harp playing with Jordan. I can't show, hold on, let me show y'all. I can't see, she has no shirt on, so my finger gotta be in the way. Harp and Jordan, and there goes Saya. And we in these streets, we about to be in these streets. We waiting for Jamila to come home from work. And yeah, look at Papa. You wanna get out, Harper? Okay, come on.
So Harper wants to get out, and what Queen Harper wants, everybody does. So we are jumping for her every command. Her and Jordan's. Josiah really chilling. He don't even care about us no more.
You want to get out, Harper? Go.
Yes, yeah, so that's what I'm saying. We're waiting for Jamila to get home.
You made stick in that dice left? Oh, she wrong. You made stick in that dice left? You can have a green beans or something?
Excuse me, where's our wife at?
You wrong? She says she's 20 minutes away and she needs a beverage on the double.
Okay. Let me go have it pour. Javon, you worry about yourself. You cater to, you halfway cater to yours and let me cater to mine. Oh, shoot. So my boo says she is 20 minutes away. And she needs a beverage. What she drink?
It's a she said it's a yellow bottle of vodka and mix that with pineapple and ginger ale.
Yes, order me around, Jay.
You know what?
said, yes, Jay ordered me around.
You gotta be feminine to order you around for you to listen.
Huh?
You gotta be feminine to order you around for you
Hell
to
no,
listen.
your body gotta be snatched like hers.
Oh, girl, you stinky.
She raw. She ain't here raw.
This citrus flavored vodka,
Yes.
mix it with what?
The pineapple juice and some ginger ale.
Oh, okay. So they say she wants citrus liquor mixed with pineapple juice and ginger ale. I just came up with that myself because I think that she would like it.
Harper, how you down here pooping like this?
So first we're gonna take the citrus vodka. And she has some work today and has to come home and deal with Sequina and Javon. So we're gonna give her a nice little, am I focused? Hello? Focus. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna give her a nice little.
No, I was telling you, like, sometimes I like her, I feel like she needs a stronger whites. Like, it just be don't just be smelling. I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
So that's what we gonna start with.
Pampers ones that we use, they're like a cloth. Pampers wipes is like a cloth type wipe. I'm like, no, she needs a good little huggies.
She needs something.
A real one that I can scrub when I wipe out the grill, scrubbing her butt. I'll be like, okay, yeah.
And she said, I go back on the honest. I said, no, those were too honest. They had no chemical in it.
Yeah, we need
She needs some chemical.
Right, you can't look. As she get older, she gonna be raw. Okay.
I was like, work for so long.
What kind you use now? See, the Pampers was like glossy, and it worked really good. But for the number twos, I gotta get some huggies. Ooh, she turned you around so you can see.
No, I was facing all your labels forward.
Is that an OCD thing we had going on? She said she was facing all the labels in the kitchen porch. Yeah, everybody has their own thing. Oh no, in the refrigerator.
Hi.
Hey! Hey, Stephen Bud.
It's real cute with it, right? Okay, y'all. So the kids are still up in here. What time is it? So it's 4:54. This is what happens when you leave your camera. Wait, this is a fail because I ain't even got no light. All right, never mind. Good morning, y'all. Damn.
Yeah.
Good morning, y'all.
When it
So
comes out,
we are still at the Browns. Well, I can't say the other last name, but the Browns. They are talking about Sequina and I and our personalities, as if they don't have different personalities as well.
Oh, her?
Yes, ma'am.
I think some people,
No.
we have some.
First of all, I know for a fact Javon has different personalities. No. Yeah. It sounds like at this moment y'all are lying. That sounds like that moment of in denial.
But the fact that you can rattle off the names of your personalities, these are distinct.
That's because we're aware of our issues. You guys are in denial about y'all. So once you become aware of your issues, you're able to name them.
So am I talking to Telly right now, or
You're getting a little bit of both.
Harper? You want to talk about it too? Because Harper and Avery.
Okay, girl.
Y'all, they're crazy in here. We're supposed to be headed home today.
you turning up with her? You turning up with her?
That's what you doing, boyfriend?
You turning up with her?
There she goes.
It's still in your eyesight.
Yeah.
I know that I can always be myself.